Hi everyone, it's Sanjeev Goyal here from Crypto MD, and today I have Khurram Shroff from IBC Group, and we want to talk about something really interesting that's happening in the crypto space these days. But maybe first, KB, if I can call you that, just give me a little bit of just about a little bit about Ethereum, and so people can understand this before we go in more detail.
Sure. Thank you, first of all, Dr. Sanjeev, for taking time out and chatting with me. And it's so interesting because, blockchain can be used in so many different ways. One of the ways that it is being used is cryptocurrencies, starting with Bitcoin, which came out in 2008. But let's not even get into Bitcoin. Let's get into Ethereum. Ethereum was started around 2014, 2015 by Vitalik out of a Canadian person, and went to transferred, is now headquartered out of Switzerland, and it was running on a algorithm or a protocol called proof of work blockchain, where a lot of computers compete for computing power, and the blockchain lets them add a block of data to the previous block of data, and a certain mining reward is given to them, including the transaction costs. But it has become very expensive to run these proof of work blockchain. So about a year and a half to 2 years ago, Ethereum Foundation out of Switzerland came out with this new concept of proof of stake, which will increase the speed of the Ethereum chain to basically compete with someone like Visa, which does 2,000 to 3,000 transactions a second. Right now, Ethereum chain has the capability of about 12 transactions per second. With this proof of stake now, you can literally implement the whole world of finance and so many other information in so many other sectors can now take advantage of the speed and efficiencies of the proof of stake. And it's just been given birth about 8 days ago.
Okay, so let's just take a step back. Let me just interrupt you a little bit because for the viewers here. So we've basically, what you're saying is there was something called proof of work, and now proof of stake, which allows much more efficiencies and how these transactions are being recorded on the Ethereum blockchain. Is that a basic way to understand this, that they've now come up with this new way of doing something called proof of stake? So what do you think?
Yes, I think that it's a very simplified way of saying it. Yes, exactly. That is basically the same way.
So KB, tell me about what's happening right now with this project, I guess, called Genesis 2.0. Tell me about that.
Well, it has achieved monumental success. And I'm just awe in how the crypto community has come together. And as of speaking right now, 1.4 million Ethereum has been staked, which is approximately over $1 billion, has been staked over the last 30 days. And the Genesis beacon chain has been live for the last 8 days. And staking and validation is happening every 3 seconds. Each of our validator does around 15 to 20,000 or more transaction validation a day. And it's a beginning of evolution of this new era where it's like investing in the infrastructure of the internet back in the 80s.
Okay, that's awesome. We'll continue this conversation next time, and looking forward.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, talk soon.
Look forward to it. Cheers.